Hey guys, this is the Victorinox Huntsman my grandfather gave me for my 17th birthday. And since that day I carried it on my keychain every single day. So this knife has been carried for, a little bit less than 4 years. And it looks pretty good. But recently I accidentally dropped it and one scale came off. So I looked around, searched some forums, and I found out that Victorinox is giving out free warranties for all of their knives. And it's basically a lifetime warranty. If there's something broken, like this scale, you can send it back to Victorinox and they'll fix it for free. And I've read many positive reviews about this service, so I figured I'd give it a try and bring you along to show you how amazing Victorinox is if this really works. So other than the broken scale, I bent the tip. I don't know if you can see it, but the front of the tip is a little bit crooked, and the blade is really scratched, but I don't really care. It's sharp because I sharpen it quite often. The small blade is extremely dull because I've never used it, and I never sharpened it. Other than that, it's pretty much in perfect condition. So I'll send it in, and when it comes back, I will make an update video. Thanks, and bye bye. Wiedersehen.